using their There is usually an adverb for place, but it has also a peculiar idiomatic use. It is sometimes employed to begin sentences without any reference to place, and when so used is introductory and has a kind of pronominal force. As in the following example, there was not a cloud in the sky. There was a sound of Vivaldi by night. It is evident to me that there is some mistake in this account. The excessive use of there in this way is to be avoided. It used too freely. It makes sentences weak and struggling.